Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has removed his political secretary Nasir Ahmed with immediate effect following allegations of failure to support the Congress party's official candidate in the Davangere South by-election held on April 9th. The order issued by the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms stated that Ahmed had been relieved from his post, leaving the Chief Minister without a political secretary. This comes months after the earlier office holder K. Govindraj was removed in June 2025. The action follows internal complaints that Nasir Ahmed and some leaders did not back Congress candidate Samarth Mallikarjun. The bypoll was necessitated by the death of senior leader Shamanur Shivashankarappa. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said Ahmed had been specifically tasked with ensuring that a rebel candidate withdrew from the contest, but failed to deliver. He added that the Chief Minister's decision was based on reports submitted by party leaders, stressing that discipline within the party was essential.